Oh, ayan. Star Wars.
Ready?
Magkano yan? Get wet. Ah, B, gitna muna, number 1. Oh, and then number 2, hilain mo yan. Hilain mo yan. Wait, hindi ganyan. Hilain mo slowly. Ayan. O, tapon mo. Lahat, pinawak mo sa akin, lamig. Dito na kami ngayon sa Lagon. Ito yung sasabi yung store na mga cute stuff. What's that? What's that? That's a Rubik's Cube. Adam likes that. Yan, so may beauty products din. Pero pag pumunta ka ng Japan, parang mahal na dito eh. So, titingin-tingin ka na lang. Battery. Ang tibay yung ano niya, hawakan.
I never have this.
Toriso, wala sa Manila. 109.
Also,
What's the difference?
it's a speed, super speed.
How much? Wala, doon check mo magkano doon.
Mommy!
Eating at Voynich. Oo nga, Voynich. Bukas ulan na yan. So, saktong-sakto yung Disneyland natin. Just right for Disneyland tomorrow. No more Disneyland. Cancel. Cancel. Mukhang mahal ah.
Mahal ah.
Wow. Pagpasok pa lang alam mo ng mga holiday.
Wala, alim.
Yung haba ng holiday.
Daming tao sa loob. Wow, iba-ibang team. Kids doon na lang.
Kids there.
Adam, here.
Adam there.
We're eating at Voynich, tapat ng harbor. Dim sum.
Yan.
Wait.
Yung plato.
Mahang gamot.
Hindi. Yung red, tanggalin mo yung red.
Nasaan Chinese na gamot?
Kasi lahat ng kinain mo.
Naalala ko yung bata, childhood. Pag may ubo ako, yun yung kinakain ko. Isa peras, sinahal. Binuboy yung peras.
Para ano, tedya.
Ito mararap. Crunchy.
May mani ah.
Sarap to.
Crunchy. You don't like this one?
Curvy. Ang isang token ay 7 pesos. $1. Hong Kong dollar. And you need how many coins? 12. Make sure you get that.
Give me some tokens.
Wait, quiet. Oh my God! Try mo ulit. Sige na. Get it! Yeah! Yeah!
Want it?
Say thank you.
No, give me.
Give Aya the coins naman. 12 na? 1 more, 2 more.
We can do it.
Third try. Oh my God! A while ago, we met with James, yung second cousin nila Adam and Mia, and si Mimi, my cousin, for a short while para lang magkita si Adam and si James. So, nag-arcade kami. Grabe, super mahal ang arcade dito. Parang nasa 7 pesos per token. Tapos, ang kailangan mo sa isang crane is 12 pieces. So, 7 times 12. Diba? Ang mahal. So, parang mabilis lang yung paglaro namin doon. So, 4 o'clock and we are going to Legoland dito lang sa Tsimshatsuet sa K11 Mall. So, tignan natin kung ano yung magagawa namin, kung masusulit pa namin yung Legoland. So, ang weather dito sa Hong Kong ngayon ay medyo maulan. Kaka-start pa lang umulan today and magdi-Disneyland kami tomorrow and sabi daw 98% chance of rain. So ngayon, bumili kami ng mga raincoats and jackets. Look here! Walking to Lagoan. So, we're all wet from the rain. All wet from the rain.
We close at 7 o'clock. Is it okay? We close at 7 o'clock. Yes.
We close at 7 o'clock.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay, buy the ticket now.
How long to go around?
In the normal time, we suggest 3 hours. Can pay 3 hours inside.
Ano? Musta? Look here, Kenji. Wow! You're inside the lion's mouth. So, papasok kami sa Legoland and matatapos na daw to ng 7 o'clock. One. Kenji, faster! Look here, the camera.
Okay, let's go. Okay, bye.
Where's the firework? kasama namin. Where? Who will I shoot?
Not the bad guy. Here.
Oh no! Oh no, ayun.
Give me my ticket.
You don't need. Pwede yan. Try mo na. Mahina lang yata yan.
Kai.
Ito pedal. You go up. Oh my gosh, mabilis. Hala, Kai. So, sa loob ng Legoland, may coffee shop. So, yun na lang yung rides. Dalawang rides lang. And then, habang naglalaro yung kids, pwede na tayo umupo dito sa coffee shop nila. Ayan. Cute. Lunchbox nila. Oh, they serve Starbucks coffee. Pati yung mga condiments nila, naka-Lego setup. How was it? You can ride and ride again. It's free. Tapos there's a show at 5:30. Okay, you can play na. You can ride again if you want, ha? So, dito na tayo sa souvenir shop after lumabas sa exit. Lego box, keychain. So, dito bibili ka ng per box. Top large box on 79 birthday card. Like, any parts can get. So, paano makalamang sa box? Learn from Raymond. Yan yung large box. So, pabalik na kami ng hotel. Sasakay na kami ng taxi kasi umuulan. Punta na kami sa kabilang exit kung saan kami pipick up yung taxi kasi kanina.
Ayan, i-book mo XL. Ayan.
I-book kami ng Uber. So, nandito na yata kami sa lobby ng isang hotel. I think 7.
Ano? XL ka na? Ha?
kami sa naka-schedule kami sa mga rides before the amusement opens. Yun yung binook namin para magawa namin yung Frozen, yung bago. Ininom mo na ba yung gamot mo? Talon ka ng talon. Yan. Hindi nakikinig. So, to all teachers of Mia Chu, when she writes something in her reflection, she doesn't do it. Okay? That's a vlog. So, I put that. You know, I'll not edit that. So that your teachers will know you're not doing what you put in your reflection. What do you do to help your mommy and daddy at home? I help them by ganyan, listening to them, obeying to them, but in reality, she doesn't do it agad. Okay?
Mommy, it's it.
Oh, talaga. You're busted.
Busted and roasted.
So, like, subscribe to my channel if your kids are like this. Okay? It's drizzling. Papasok kami sa early entrance. Paano ulit nakakakuha ng early pass dahil sa pinili natin na ticket?
Bayad ka.
So extra ano siya, payment.
We're going to a new Frozen ride in Disneyland.
So, pumapasok na tayo sa Frozen Town. So, ito yung bagong place dito sa Disneyland. So, ito yung kinuhanan namin ng schedule, Express Pass. So, pumili kami ng 8 rides na gusto namin sakyan na walang pila. And the rest, pipila na kami. So, today is Monday. Hindi pa naman umuulan so far. Entering the first ride. So, we are entering the Frozen ride. So, boat ride pala to. Sabi nila, you may get wet. Here, are you ready?
Adam, saan ka? Kala Riley?
Three, ako na.
Ako na? Sige.
Second one.
Oh, you first.
Ako second.
Bakit? Kaya na niya yan. Tignan mo naman yung kuhan. Hindi naman pang wild ride yan.
Basta nga. Buti na lang, manipis pantalon.
Where's food?
So, nandito na tayo sa loob. Dahan-dahan lang yung ride. So, look at that. So nice. Aww. Snowman.
At least,
So guys, bakit na kami? Hindi ko naman. Akit na kami. Hindi pa baba. We're going up. So wala pang pababa. So after each ride is a souvenir shop. Ayan o. This is the bagnet. This is who? This one na lang, Gecko. It's good. Hindi ko alam. Saan si RV? Dito lang kami. Sige, pili lang kayo. Okay lang yan. Kaya na nila yan. Gising you. Gising you. So better kayo pumunta ng morning para maka-2 beses kayo na wala pang tao. So sa tapat ng first ride may restaurant. Golden Inn. Japanese food. Usual, yung mango niya na hindi masarap. Ready to get wet? So, dito kami sa Ebenezer. Sobrang must try yun. Tawag nila Islam kebab. So, para siyang shawarma.
Donald chicken. Okay? Sorry, bro. Chicken crunchy, okay? No. No.